Hello everyone and welcome to my Lab 1 project demonstration. So the objective of this project was to get more familiar with Python, gain more experience with Flask, and use SQL and databases. I included the requirements in so there's a requirement log, and I included the requirements in the readme.mp file, and you can access it. There's an introduction section, an application section, and an API section. That is just the API to my website. And also, I hosted this website on Heroku, and you can access it using the link that I provided here, saeid-lab-1.herokuapp.com. And also, the database URL is set, the Flask app for so application.py. There are 5 primary pages. The first one is index or home. This is just a landing page to my website. There's a sign up, there's a login, the search page that you can search books, and the books page that you can just see the details of the book. I use the rating.css for a rating star in my book page that you can use to rate books. And also I use Bulma open source CSS framework to make the website look nice. The application part is just this Google.py is basically just a test for Google API, Google Book APIs. Import.py imports all the data that we have in the books.csv file. Application.py is the main application that includes all the routes and functionalities. So this is the application.py. From the beginning, it includes everything, imports requests, and from Flask imports the required functionalities. It has all the routes that we need, the session that stores the cookies from the user, just user ID, because we want to know if the user is logged in or signed up, or what in which state that is. There is a logout route that you can take and just basically deletes the session. There's a search page that includes 2 methods, get and post. When you post, just it's a query that selects the books from the database. And the other route is just the book page that you can take and see the details related to that book. And this is the API section that gets the book data from Google and also my database. So this is the final result. This is the hosted website on Heroku. I also have the local version of that. Here is the local version of it. From the beginning, if you want to see what we have. So there is a nav bar up here that you can see. There is sign up. So if you go to sign up, it's just a sign up page. There's a login and the home page. If you go to them, yeah, this is the sign up page. So this username I already registered. So if I sign up again, it will tell me that you can't sign up because you registered before. Yeah, here is the result. So if I want to go to login page, this is the username that I registered before. So when I do login, just like this, I can search, for example, dark. It brings me all the darks that are in the titles. Also, it searches the author and ISBN too. So it brings me some pictures, some description, number of rating, average rating, everything that is, for example, I can just write good, good, and rate it with 4 stars, submitted. Your review successfully submitted, and here's my review. And also I can go back to search page. For example, this random, I already have 2 reviews for this. Just I think that's it. If I log out, it just goes back to my first page. And that's it. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you have a great day.